Today I'll explain the basics of meditation, the crux of meditation, and the most common question that is asked by many meditators. That is whether it is meditation is concentration or meditation is relaxation. Whether we need to concentrate on something and whether we should really focus on something during meditation or whether we should relax and be in a let go, because there are lots of methods like focus on your breath, focus on your thoughts, and just remember the god, like any deity, Krishna or Shiva. Keep focusing on the god, or just chant a particular mantra like Om for 10 minutes. So whether these methods are right, whether it is kind of focusing on concentrating on a particular thing, or whether it is relaxation and just letting go. So there are two contradictory views on meditation, and which one is right? See, meditation as such is the opposite of what you're doing in the day-to-day life. So from morning to night, you keep concentrating, whether you're watching a movie or whether you're working at your office or in a school or college or at home, whether you're cooking. The whole day your mind is concentrated and it is looking outside. And meditation is just opposite. You're trying to relax, you're trying to be in a let go, you're trying to defocus the mind and remove the tension from the mind and deconcentrate. So it is definitely not concentration. It is just the opposite of what you're doing in the day-to-day life, which is defocusing the mind. And whenever you're concentrating and your mind remains tense and the body also remains tense. So whenever you're concentrating on doing something, your forehead area and your eyebrows and your eyes are strained. The muscles of the forehead, the muscles of your eyes and eyebrows are like this, strained. And whenever you're relaxed and whenever you're not concentrating, whenever you're just there, not in a tensed way, but in a relaxed way. Whenever you're in a relaxed mood, then your eyebrows, eyes, and your forehead are very relaxed. The muscles are not tensed, and you can just feel by seeing the face of the person. So the most important thing is throughout the meditation, whether you do it for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, your eyebrows, eyes, and your forehead should be relaxed. So you need to constantly check whether it is in a relaxed position. And if you're trying to concentrate on some mantra or some god or any picture, then this is not going to happen, because naturally your mind will become tensed and it will try to bring all the energy to a particular god or a mantra or a picture, and naturally your muscles on your forehead, eyes, and eyebrows will become very tensed. And this is not the right way of doing meditation. So what is the right way then? The only one word or one thing you need to do in meditation is relaxation. So you have to simply relax. If there is any thoughts that's passing in your mind, don't give any importance. Don't get attached to the thought. Just witness the thoughts as if it is not yours, as if it is somebody else's thoughts. If you're bothered about past, if you're bothered about the future, let the thoughts come and go, and you just try to relax your mind and get keep a distance between the thought process and yourself. And the best way you can do is you can use belly breathing as a technique, so that you can move the energy from the thought process to your belly, and you can just feel the belly rising and falling during the breathing process. So this is, and or you can do ujjayi breathing, and that also is a wonderful way to distract you from unnecessary thoughts. But the number one thing is you're trying to relax. So relax your forehead, relax your eyebrows and eyes continuously. For when throughout the meditation process, you have to see that the forehead and eyes and eyebrows are kept in relaxed way, and don't bother about the thoughts. It will be coming, and it's a very natural thing. So just don't get very attached. And if you see that you're gone with any particular thought and you're lost track of the witnessing quality, witnessing of your belly movement or your breathing in and breathing out, then just come back and start doing it. So any method you're using, the basis should be right, otherwise the whole meditation process will go wrong and it will not yield you any benefit whatsoever regarding meditation. So if the basis, if the crux of meditation is not known and you are not following the basics correctly, then it is not right to call it as meditation at all. So it is better not to do the meditation instead of doing it wrongly. So whether you're focusing on the breath, whether you're doing vipassana, that is just trying to feel the breathing process, breathing in, breathing out, or whether you're doing belly breathing, trying to feel the belly going out, going in during the breathing process, or trying ujjayi breathing, the same thing, the breathing going in, going out with ujjayi breathing, anything, but see that it is done in a relaxed way, because you're trying to defocus the mind and you're not focusing and concentrating. It is not, you're not trying to convert meditation into another job, another tension, another stressful experience. So it is de-stressing, defocusing the mind, opening the mind, relaxing the mind. And you can listen to all the natural sounds of birds, of wind, of water, of trees. So you can listen to the sounds. You can simply close the eyes, and there is absolutely nothing to do. No focusing, no concentration, no tension, just pure relaxation and let go, and living in the present moment. Whatever is happening in the present moment, you're simply relaxing yourself into that. So you have no job to do there, no concentration, no job for the mind. The mind is simply there to relax. So this is the way of doing meditation. If you're following any other way, just correct it so that it will give you the maximum benefit. And to learn more about the crux of meditation, you can read lots of Osho books. You can listen to Osho radio. He's the number one guru when it comes to meditation and spiritual process. And you can ask any doubts if you have in the below comments. And thanks for watching this film.